During my time at the council, that's where I've boosted up my education. So I left school with nothing really, no formal qualifications. In my adult life, I've valued education more than I did when I was at school. And so when the Degree Apprenticeship programme was being created, I've got a personal connection with social work, and I've got a professional connection in terms of when you're in support roles, the natural next professional step, if you like, is to qualify and become a social worker. And I was really nervous because although I wanted it, I didn't think that I was capable of achieving a degree. As I say, I'm not the most academic person. I've got 3 kids, so I couldn't afford to go ahead and do a degree and fund it, myself. So I'm very fortunate in that I've got that sponsorship, if you like, through the programme. As an individual, it will give me some pride that I've achieved a degree, and professionally it will give me access to promotions. The beauty of the social work degrees, you can use the degree to move into stuff that you wouldn't even think of. You can use it to go into community work, youth work, even hospital work, psychology. It's such a wonderful and adaptable degree. When you come to university and you start to study, you then put the other piece of the jigsaw as to why you do what you're doing, and then you can sit back and you think, well, the reason why I've done it like that is because of this model or this theory, and that's what the university brings to the table. It gives you the grounding as to why you're doing what you're doing, where it comes from, and then it gives you the confidence in your practice to know that what you're doing is sort of evidence-based. In my family, I will be the first person to graduate. It will give me an enormous sense of pride, and I hope to be able to use that as to be like a bit of a role model for my children, if anything, just to try and not let them walk the path that I walked when I was younger.